when you should buy cryptocurrency. Why is it crypto winter right now and why you should learn how to make money through the DeFi these days. The question of when is it okay to start investing, when is it high time to buy Bitcoin, such comments and questions are really common in chats and groups. So people are always looking for their entry points. So I decided to comment on this as well. First of all, it is worth noting that looking for the best entry point is extremely unreliable, especially if we are looking for a bottom. There is the saying, buy off bottom, and you get second bottom at a gift. Remember when Luna fell? It fell from 100 US to $1, and many people decided to buy it. Then it went down to 1 cent, and most people thought it would never go lower. Others thought that even if Luna went further up to $1 again and no more, they would still make like 10x. But Luna fell even lower and lower, almost to zero. Therefore, it is not advisable to look for a perfect entry point. However, that doesn't mean you can think about the big trends. Nathan Rothschild once said that now famous phrase that the time to buy is when there is blood on the streets. What does it mean? It means that when the market becomes totally disappointed, having gone through all the stage from the resistance, anger, losing hope, ignoring to total disappointment, we see the media go silent, whereas experts lose the face in assets. All of that show that there is the transition from the decline phase to an accumulation phase. It is this phase of the decline that they commonly referred to in the community as the crypto winter. When funds offer allocation for the next to nothing in the top project they used to fight for before, when a miner shut down their crypto equipment, when the crypto investors see very little chance of returning even the 50% of their losses of their investments, when the media ignores and even buries the cryptocurrency, it is exactly what is called the crypto winter in our community. Who can tell if it's only begins or it ends? If my opinions were still in the middle of this trend, maybe even the peak considering the recent events. However, we're still far from the end of this trend because the level of money difficulty is still high. Liquidity is still on the market. Investors are suffering losses. Bitcoin dominance is less than 50%. All these factors testify that we are still in the falling phase in the middle of the cold crypto winter. So this period usually lasts for a while, and while giving occasional spikes ups and dips down, it's not bad timing to start building your long-term crypto portfolio, but does it mean that you can't do anything until you see the rivers of the blood on the market? Perhaps for some, such a strategy will be the best. If you take, for example, 100 US and just put in front of you instead of the trading, you will be still better than 90% of the traders of the market. This is statistics. Sometimes strategy of just waiting is the best. However, there is a number of tools in the crypto space that allow you to make money not only on the speculations of the assets, but through the value of your tokens. Certain mechanisms in DeFi allow you to hedge the risk of the crypto asset losing value while you're still making money on through the farming, staking, lending. This is certainly something that you should learn. So guys, invest in yourself to grow your income in both markets, bearish, bullish markets.